Hello guys, let's start with the middle of the linked list. Let me read question for you all guys. Given the head of the singly linked list, return the middle of the linked list. If there are two middle nodes, return the second middle node. Think about for which case they have written this line. Just take a pause for 1 or 2 minutes and think it for which case they have written it. They have written it for the even size linked list like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This the length is even. So what you have to return it? The second middle node you have to return it. Means 4, not 3. They have mentioned it beforehand. You will find stuck in all such kind of silly problems at the start only. In the odd case, you know very well that what you have to return it. You have to just return 3 in your answer as it is the middle of the linked list. So possibly I can think it of two of the solutions at the basic. Let me first talk about the first solution. First I will travel. First I will travel the whole linked list and will let you know about the length. Finding the length will help me to finding the length will help me to calculate the middle of the linked list. Let's Finding the length will help me to find the middle of the linked list. Why? Mid is equals to length by 2. In case of even, I will return the second note the second note as my answer. Considering the odd length, I can return first one as my answer. First one as my answer. So, but look at it. I have to travel the whole linked list. The whole linked list 2 times. Means the time complexity becomes big O of 2n. At the worst case I am talking about, it can be the case that you will find the middle of the linked list at the start, at the middle of the whole linked list only. So you will travel approximately n plus n by 2 times. But I am considering the I am considering the first case. Okay. Now this will cost you. Other way is something which you can't um, create it on your own at the time of the interview. You have to, I would say, understand the algorithm as well as as well as you have to learn it to some extent as well, because this is a proper method. You have to follow it. Without considering this method, you can't be able to solve more of the questions of the next uh, coming problems based on the linked list. This algorithm is about fast pointer and the slow pointer. Let me talk you about the fast pointer and the slow pointer. Let's suppose you are in this linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You point the slow and the fast pointer at first. Slow, comma, fast at first. Slow has a condition. Slow has a condition that it will travel. That it will travel only one linked list at one time, while the fast has a condition that it will travel two steps ahead steps ahead of the original place in the linked list in the linked list. Means fast is also at one only, but the next move for the fast will come out to be three and not two. You understand? Let me repeat it again. Suppose you have slow and the fast at 1. So next time slow will point to 2 while fast will point to 3. Similarly, slow will point to 3 in the next move while fast will point to 5 in the next move. And finally, slow will point to 4 while the fast will point to null's null value. Means you find first null and then another null. It will point to this last null. Now think that at which position should I pause by iteration to get this as my answer, 3 as my answer. I think when I have at fast and the fast next is null pointer, I can stop it there. So I will get my answer as 3 as a middle of the link list. I think this should be the case which I have to consider in my mind, that at when the fast next is a null pointer, I can stop it and I will get my link, and I will get middle of the link list. Now let's take one of the other question in which I have the length even. Let's take this case. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Start again. Slow is pointing to first. Fast is pointing to first. Next iteration. Slow is pointing to 2. Fast is pointing to 3. Now next. Slow is pointing to 3. I'll get my answer. But fast is pointing to null. Fast is pointing to null. Now, how will I tackle this case? How will I tackle this case? So, at such instance, you have to keep in mind that you can put one or more conditions as well as in your answer. Means if you find fast next to be null pointer to be null pointer, fast next to be null pointer, or fast next to be equal to null pointer. In this case, fast next fast next at this case fast next is 3 and fast next is 4. Is it equal to null pointer? No. Is fast next equal to null pointer? Yes. You will pause it here. So what you will get your answer? You will get your answer as 2. But think, in the even case, I have to give my answer as 4, which is the middle of the linked list plus 1. So, how will I go for this case? Um, How will I go for this case? Think it. If I just put what can I do here right now, as I have to give 3 as my answer. So in the next iteration, after this first value is 3, in the next iteration I have the first value. Yes. Okay. Wait. While considering, let's suppose you are in this while loop. You are in this while loop. Okay. At the last point, I have my first value as 3. I have my first value as 3. After this first value, I will be again inside this loop as neither fast next nor fast next is null pointer. No. Here's your fast next is null pointer. So what can I do? I will stuck at this point only. At the point. So what can I do? Um, what can I do? Like more. This is like I have done it in the simple manner, but I don't think you should be going by this method. No. Wait. You should go with the method or the algorithm called as tortoise algorithm only. This is the tortoise algorithm. You must have to go by this way only. Let me think about it. Yeah, you can take it. At the end, what is the fast value right now? The fast value is 3. The fast is pointing to 3. But the at the same time, your fast value will come out to be null. Fast value comes out to be null.